Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on grayscale mode on Android. So if this helps you, subscribe. It's really simple. First we'll open up your Android and then swipe down and find the settings app because we're going to need that. Once you're in settings, it should look something like this for you. As you see, scroll to the bottom till we find accessibility here. Click on accessibility and then find visibility or vision enhancements depending on your region and language. So click on it. As you see this plus magnifying glass, click on that and now scroll down till you find color correction here. Click on that and then here click on grayscale and make it turn it on just like that. And now your phone will be grayscale. Now your phone will be grayscale, as you see. To prove it to you, I can show you something green. As you see in comparison, you see that this is green and this is grayscale. So I hope this video helped you. Subscribe.